Wyah here. I've got a new 3D printer, zero experience, and a whole lot to figure out. Here we go. But for my first few prints, the simple stuff, the basic PLA that comes with the printer, things actually work better than I ever thought they would. I'm nowhere near confident doing anything custom yet. I'm still figuring out what each part does. But when it comes to just downloading a file and printing it, it's super easy. The setup didn't even fight me as much as I expected. Something I didn't expect is how much of the 3D printing actually happens before the printer even moves. The software decides how thick each layer is, how strong the part is, how fast it prints, and I still barely understand any of it. That's probably the part I'll be learning the most as I go. Where I'm at now, I'm still learning, still messing up, I'm still figuring it all out. If you're into that kind of journey, stick around. First print finished, I felt this weird confidence hit like, okay, I can actually do this. It came out cleaner than I expected, and it made the whole thing feel real. Now, let me tell you, not everything has been a win. The Handy app felt pretty weak, a couple downloads didn't fit right, and I can already tell different printers have different strengths. But overall, for a first shot at this, it was solid. But for my last few prints, the simple stuff, the basic PLA, things actually worked better than I thought they would. I'm nowhere near confident about everything yet, like doing custom and all that, but I'm still figuring out what each part does. The setup didn't even fight me as much as I expected, so don't be scared of it. Just jump right in. I'll be honest. Up front, I didn't expect this to go smooth. 3D printing always looks easy online, but when you're actually holding the machine, it feels like there's 100 ways to mess up. And even now, I'm still assuming the hard stuff is coming. My plan now is simple: print more intentionally, learn the software, try more materials, get comfortable with the settings instead of guessing, and eventually start customizing things I actually care about.